This is one of the most insane AI tools I've ever used. I went from this to this, from this to this, from this to this. In fact, the list goes on. I could literally be doing this for um, 24 hours. Now, what am I talking about? I'm talking about Advertising Studio by InVideo. If you've never heard about Advertising Studio or InVideo, InVideo is one of the best AI platforms that they have all of the best video generators to best image generators all in one platform. And now they've just released Advertising Studio, which is a baked in advertising suite. Now, this is the best production ready advertising kit for marketing agencies, companies. If you know you have a marketing department in your company, you need this tool for small digital marketers, for people trying to make money with AI. This is a tool that you must have. I'm just talking too much. I'm just going to walk you through why I think this tool is an absolute game changer, why this tool is miles ahead of the competition. Now, if you go on the InVideo platform, let's just say you will be on this homepage. All you have to do to access Advertising Studio is to click on this agents and model. So once I click on it, it will take me to this page. You can see dynamic captions, Advertising Studio, Vision, and Nano Banana. All I have to do is click on Advertising Studio. Now, once you open Advertising Studio, it will show you different, would I say, presets that you can literally use for whatever type of product that you have. So whatever type of product that you have, whether fashion, actual electronics, tech products, computers, headphones, skin products, health and wellness, whatever type of product that you're selling, medicine, whatever it is, there's a preset here for you. Now, I'm calling the presets. Now, that's actually downplaying it. They are not presets. They have a built-in AI agent that literally understands what your product is and what you should be getting. Now, this is actually doing half of your marketing for you, if that makes sense. Now, I'm not just going to talk too much. I'm going to be walking you through some of the agents here or some of the tools here available to us. So the first one I'm talking about is this 360. So if I click on 360 like this, it's going to ask me to either create a new folder or I should select from the existing folder. I've already created folders, but I'll just click on new folder. Once you click on new folder, you rename your folder and then you click on create project. Once you create project, it will take you to a page like this, and all you have to do with a prompt here is click on plus and then attach your product. So for example, I want to use this AirPods Max for this product. So I'll click on AirPods Max and I'll click on open, and then I have to add some more products, so some more images, so it will understand what the product looks like. So I'll select another one and I'll click on open. Now, once you've done that, all you have to do is just click on generate. You can change the number of generations you want from here. You can change the aspect ratio that you want, and then you can also change the model. But most times, if you're clicking from the first preset here, you don't need to either type a prompt, you don't need to change the model, or you just leave it as it is and then generate. Then if you don't get what you want, then you can tweak the prompt a little bit. But all of the time, I actually get what's way better than what I even want. So all I have to do is just click on generate, and it will generate an image, a video for you. Now, there are images and there are videos. Now, I generated this video. Now, this is a 360 video around this AirPods Max. Now, you can see here, I added the prompts. I told it to put it in a futuristic home, futuristic bedroom, and for it to transition to that futuristic bedroom. That's why the rotation or the pan transitions to this room. You can see the same thing with this one, and it has built-in audio as well, so you don't need any visual audio effects. So this is a plain one that I did not ask it to transition to any place. You can see the product video. You can see how insane this is. From just an image, it has converted it to a 360 video. Now, that's just one. The next one is this Amazon primary and secondary image. So if I click on Amazon primary, this is for things like beauty products. Now, you can use this for anything, perfume, whatever type of product, but this is more for that still image shot that looks like $1 million photography studio. So once you click on it, it will take you to the same workflow. It will take you to, you ask you to open a folder. Once you open a folder, you rename your folder, and then click on open and create folder. It's take you to where you can just upload your image. So I uploaded this image of this product here, this serum here, and once you click on the product, you click on open. Once the product loads, you have a prompt here automatically. All you have to do is click on generate here, this big button here. But if you want to do it yourself manually, you can literally just change the image generator. Now you can choose from the different image generators they have. They have the best image generators right here on the platform, as well as the video generators, the generators here. So you can literally just switch from editing images to generating videos. That's absolutely insane, the capability of this platform. So I literally generated these images. You can see how spot on the text is. That's something with most image generators. They often mess up the text and they just create weird artifacts with the text because they cannot actually understand natural language processing. This is actually using the Nano Banana 2 engine, which is the best image model right here, which when it comes to editing and text rendering. Now, that's why you can see the text is spot on, but now they have all of the other best image generators right here. So you can switch between those ones if you want those ones. You can see the image that I got from this generation. Absolutely mind-blowing. You can see now this is a video I actually generated using Kling right here in this same tool. You can see. Mind-blowing. This is actually mind-blowing. Now, that's just it for this one. Now, the next one we're looking at is this Amazon secondary. Now, this is more for electronic products. So if you have like smartphones and cameras, VR glasses, smartwatches, and stuff like that. So you can literally use this one. All you have to do is click here and create a new folder, or go from the folders that you already have created. If I click on this Amazon secondary, you can see it will take me to this place, this folder where I have all of my product. Now, all I had to do was upload the VR glasses. Now, I uploaded the VR glasses. I'm just going to show you here. I uploaded it. Look at the VR glasses. This is a simple image I got from Google, and it transformed it into a perfect product image that I can literally upload to Amazon or to social media or wherever I'm actually promoting this product. You can literally sell this to the owners of this company, and they will literally start paying you to generate content for them that they can use for marketing. That's how insane this platform is. So you can see I did not write any prompt. It looked at the product because of their agent. You understands the kind of product and the best marketing or best image editing to use for that product. So you can see it's created this entire image, this entire graphic design for this product from just a simple prompt in a few seconds. You can see immersive gaming, 3D cinema experience, virtual travel, premium VR glasses gaming. You can see how insane this is. This is the first one. This is the second one that it did for me. Absolutely mind-blowing. Now, that's not just it. I then took it a step further to create a video. I came here and I created a video. I clicked on Kling, and then with the same prompt, I clicked on generate, and it generated this video for me. You can see the prompt here that I used. Absolutely mind-blowing. This is actually insane. This is just bonkers. This is mind-blowing. This is the second video it created for me. And you can try this out now for completely free for the next 2 weeks. You can use the link in the description and you can try out this tool for free. But that's not all. I'm just going to go back to the other tools that I was talking about. Now, if I go back now, you can see there are a whole lot of tools that you can use here. The next one I'm going to be talking about is Amazon A+ contents. Now, if I click on Amazon A+ contents, you can see what this AI generated for me. Now, this is the one that blew me away. In fact, all of them are actually blowing me away, but this is the one that actually blew me away. Now, I gave it this simple product image. You can see the product image here. This serum, vitamin C serum. And then, because they have a built-in agent, it understands what this product is. So it decided to create me this complete product, would I say, explanation or product label for me from just a simple product image. Now you can see, if I click on this one, you can see it gave me the chemical compound diagram. You can see how insane this is. This is the chemical compound diagram. The whole text, every text here is legible. Brightens skin tone, reduces the dark spots, boosts hydration, protects from environmental stressors, key ingredients and benefits. You can see deep hydration, plump skin, natural radiance, refreshing, potent antioxidants. You can see we got the product name spot on, the product label, everything spot on, even down to the size of the bottle or the amount of the content. You can see this is 10 ml or 1.0 ounce. This is absolutely mind-blowing. This is the second one. You can see the second image that I generated for me. Now that's not just it. You can see this social media one that I created for me with all of the effects of using this product. This is something that you can start charging a whole lot of money for digital marketing or for product images from brands for. It is absolutely mind-blowing. Now, that's not just it. I decided to take it a step further, as I did in the previous one. I came here to Kling and I clicked on Kling 3.0 and I generated a video with this product. You can see the video I generated. How crazy is this? How insane is this tool? This is actually scary. This is actually really scary. Mind blowing. My mind is blown. Now the next one is catalog photography. Like I said, this is the catalog photography. The same workflow. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this page. All you have to do is upload your product. Now this is more for fashion products. So I uploaded this image of this bag. Let me just show you the image of the bag. This is the image of the bag. I downloaded this from Google. The quality wasn't even really good, but when you see the images that this tool generated for me, it is absolutely mind-blowing. The images are so sharp, higher than 4K resolution. You can see the images. This is mind-blowing. This is actually mind-blowing. And you can do the same thing. You can generate video, just like I said. The next one is actually thematic photography. Now, you can see here they have this travel box, this luggage carrier. You can literally use this for any type of product. So because I didn't want to use this for this kind of luggage, I decided to test it out with an energy drink. Now, this is the energy drink. So once you click on it, it will take you to this page. I uploaded the image of the energy drink. You can see the image of the energy drink here. If I click on preview, you can see this is the image of the energy drink, Prime. And then without anything, I just asked it to generate an image for me, and it generated this image. How insane is this? Then it generated this video because I switched to Kling and I decided to generate the video because as I generate images, I want to generate the video. Because we're in a video world, you have all of that in this tool. This is insane. How long will it take a visual effects team to create this kind of effect? This is absolutely mind-blowing. This is absolutely mind-blowing. The next one I'm going to talk about is actually hero shots. Now, the hero shot is a video. So the same thing with just like the, what's it called? The one I did with the energy drink. This is the hero shot. I uploaded the image of the energy drink and this is what it generated for me. The same workflow, just upload it, then you click on open and then click on generate with the prompt. This is what it generated for me. Words can't describe how insane this is. How much work will it take a VFX director to create this thing for you, to create this video for you? How long do you think it will take? This is mind-blowing. This is absolutely mind-blowing. Absolutely mind-blowing. Now, this tool can also generate mockups. So if you want mockups, it can generate mockups for you. The same thing, you just come here to where it says mockup. You can see the demo here. You click on it. It asks you to open create a folder. Then you come here and upload. I uploaded the image of this AirPods Max, and then I just clicked on this this big button here, and it generated this mockup for me for the AirPods Max. And the same thing with the mockup for the VR glasses. So you can try this tool out now for free. It is completely free for you to try now for the next 2 weeks, and after that, I don't know, might have to pay. But if you're somebody that wants to take marketing, creating product images for maybe brands, or you have a company, or you're a big agency, you have a marketing agency, or you want to start making money, so you want to reach out to brands to help them start creating images for them and product videos for them, then this is a tool you should have in your arsenal. Then you would just have to pay for the tool because I think it's worth it. It's an absolutely insane tool. What can just describe how insane this tool is. As in, this tool is actually miles ahead of the competition right now. I think a lot of creators are going to be reviewing this tool, so you can get in now fast and start trying out this tool. We have plans from $30 to $100, so I think $1,000. You can pick the one that best works for you, and then you can get started using this tool. I hope that this video solves a huge problem for you when it comes to content generation for brands and products. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this useful. Check in the description. All of the links to the tools that I talked about here are going to be in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.